students, yesterday I have explained you the concept of integration and differentiation in a detailed manner. Today we will start with the derivation of third equation of motion and fourth equation of motion. After that we will do some numericals related to them. So the third equation of motion is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So here we will take the equation as dv by dt. Now here we will multiply on this side by ds upon ds. जब भी हम किसी इक्वेशन को सेम टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करते हैं, then this equation remains the same. We will have ds upon ds. Why we have multiplied by ds? Because in the third equation of motion we have s here, but in this equation a is equal to dv by dt we were not having s, so we multiply and divide it by ds. When we will rearrange the terms, we will get dv upon ds into ds upon dt. Now this is change of displacement with respect to time. This is what it is called. It is called the velocity. Sorry, here we have a. So we will have dv upon ds. ds will be multiplied here. A ds is equal to v dv. Now what we will do? We will integrate. A is constant here and s, the limits of s is from 0 to s and limits of velocity is from u to v. Here a is constant. It will come out of the integration. A into ds is equal to 0 to v dv. Now here v is variable. Here we will use the power formula. Have a s 0 to s is equal to v square upon 2 u to v, and how we substitute the limits? Upper limit minus lower limit. We will have a into s minus 0 is equal to 1 by 2 v square minus u square, and when we will rearrange the terms you will get the equation v square is equal to u square plus 2as. That is the third equation of motion. Now we will derive the fourth equation of motion. This fourth equation of motion may be new to you. In this fourth equation of motion we derive the distance formula for the nth second. Means अगर एक body है वो uniform motion में move कर रही है and you have to find what is the distance covered by body in the second second or in the fourth second. मतलब particularly fourth second में उसने कितना distance cover किया और particularly sixth second में उसने कितना distance travel किया. तो that distance is found by the fourth equation of motion. So the fourth equation of motion is s nth, means distance in the nth second is equal to u plus a upon 2 into 2n minus 1. Here u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, and n is the nth second in which you have to find the distance. So to derive this we will use v is equal to ds upon dt and we will have ds is equal to v dt. अब जो हमारी term है it doesn't contains v, so we'll substitute the value of v from first equation of motion, that is u into dt. Now when the time is n minus 1 second, at the time n minus 1 second the distance is say as n minus 1, and at the time n second the distance is s into n. So we will integrate it. We will put the limit as n minus 1 to n. Means हम दो consecutive seconds ले रहे हैं, n second और n second से पहले क्या होगा, n minus 1 second. So distance at n minus 1 and n. So distance at n minus 1 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा sn minus 1 and sn. हम डिस्टेंस कहाँ से ले रहे हैं, n minus 1 सेकेंड से n सेकेंड तक. And here we will have u dt plus here also we will take the time from n minus 1 to n to n. So when we will open this, we will get sn minus sn minus s n minus 1 is equal to, u is a constant, it will come out n minus n plus 1 plus a upon 2, and here we will have n square minus n minus 1 whole square. When you will solve this equation, some calculation you have to do it yourself. I have given them in the notes for reference, but you have to solve it yourself and you will reach the equation snth. snth second क्या होता है, sn minus sn minus 1 is known as snth second. मतलब दोनों में कंसेक्यूटिव में हो गया ना, कि अगर आप 5 सेकेंड माइनस 4 सेकेंड तो 5th सेकेंड का आ गया, पर्टिकुलर 1 सेकेंड का आ गया, तो दैट इज नोन एज snth इज इक्वल टू u प्लस a अपॉन 2 इंटू 2n माइनस 1. नाउ वी विल डू सम न्यूमेरिकल. In the first numerical we have that a car is moving along a straight highway with a speed of 126 km per hour. Means here the value of u is given as 126 km per hour. We will convert it into meter per second, that is 126 into 5 by 18 and you will get 35 meter per second. Next is, it is brought to stop within a distance of 200 meter. Means after a distance of 200 meter, the car stops. If the car stops, the final velocity will be 0. You have to find the retardation, that is the negative acceleration. क्योंकि अगर हम बॉडी को स्टॉप कर रहे हैं, obviously we are decreasing its acceleration, then only it will stop. So we will apply the formula here as v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Substitute v is 0. The value of u is 35 is equal to 2. A you have to find, the distance is 200. Solve it and get the value of a. Next you have to find the time taken by the car to stop. Once you find the value of acceleration, use the equation v is equal to u plus at. Here you will get the value of t. Here v is 0. Substitute the value of u as 35 meter per second and you will get the value of the time. Now in the second numerical we have a body covers 12 मीटर इन द सेकेंड. मतलब यहाँ पे आपको s2 की वैल्यू दी हुई है, मतलब s12. मतलब द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन सेकेंड इज 12 मीटर एंड द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 4th सेकेंड इज 20 मीटर. अब हमारे पास sn का फॉर्मूला क्या था, sn is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. अब सबसे पहले जो हमें दिया हुआ है s2th is equal to 12 means यहाँ पे हम n की वैल्यू क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे, 2. We will get 12 is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2 into 2 minus 1, 2 to the 4 minus 1 is 3. We will get 12 is equal to u plus a by 2 into 3. इसे हम मार्क कर देंगे एज इक्वेशन 1। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास क्या गिवन है कि जो डिस्टेंस इन 4 सेकेंड इज 20 मीटर। अब यहाँ पे हमें n की वैल्यू क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है, 4, तो हमारे पास आएगा 20 इज इक्वल टू u प्लस a/2 इंटू यहाँ n की वैल्यू क्या पुट करेंगे हम, 4 माइनस 1, सो 20 इज इक्वल टू u प्लस 4 to the 8 minus 1 is 7, so we have 20 is equal to u plus 7a/2। so ये हमारी आ जाएगी इक्वेशन 2। अब हम इक्वेशन 1 और इक्वेशन 2 को जब आप सॉल्व करोगे, आपने पहले किया होगा सॉल्विंग इक्वेशंस इन 2 वेरिएबल, you will get the value of a and u. First you find the value of a and u, then tomorrow I will tell you the rest part of the question.